What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps from the Microsoft Store on your computer. So if you open up the Microsoft Store, I'm going to type in store right here, and you will see that you have applications in the Microsoft Store that you can install. I'm going to take, for example, let's take Zoom, right? I have Zoom installed. I can click on Zoom Workplace, and you can see that it is going to show open, right? And it's because I've installed it from Microsoft Store. Now, in order to uninstall those applications that you've installed from the Microsoft Store, you can't uninstall them directly from the Zoom app. What you have to do is to go ahead and open up the install applications on your PC. You can easily access by right-click on the Windows icon on your start bar and go to install apps. What I will do is simply click where it says search apps and type in Zoom, and it should start to find Zoom for me, right? Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now let's continue. And I'm going to go ahead and just simply click the three dots right here and click on uninstall, then click uninstall again and hit uninstall once more. And it's going to uninstall Zoom application from my computer. It's going to also uninstall it from the Microsoft Store as well. And so if I go back to Microsoft Store once more and I would search for Zoom, let's go ahead and do that. Zoom, you will see directly that it's going to say install once more, and that's it. So this is how you can uninstall the applications from the Microsoft Store. Very easy and very simple.